I'm Fish. How's everybody doing? Oh, how do you like that sky behind me? It's beautiful, man. Oh, yeah. A while ago, I just noticed the video. After I did mine. Oh, I don't mind at all. At least I did mine as flaps. And it became available as a Mighty Mini Tudor Turbo Wing. Yeah, at least we know now how we can do it. Put it on there. Like I said, you need to make it a little wider off of the fuselage. And you got Turbo Wing. Well, also you could do flaps as well. And, you know, it almost makes it to be at the leading edge of a, you got it, a sub 250. Anyway, I got with Movavi and we had a nice chat. And they were very helpful in ways where every time I asked them a question, they pointed me to where I needed to be at, but they wouldn't answer my actual question. And this was FB we were on, and yeah, we had a good conversation back and forth. So I went on to the Movavi official site, spoke to a nice gentleman, gave me a code, and they told me exactly what I needed to know. Now I'm just waiting to do my thing. Now I've been practicing with the free trial me, and I've been practicing with the free Movavi, and it's not the best in the world for the reason of, oh yeah, you're only entitled to a minute, and you can only do half of your audio. Well, that's what it says. Well, at least you get to use it, see how it works, and off you go. You don't have to, you know, render it and load it up to the world. You just play with it. And playing with it is mighty fine for me. You get to use all the crowns and everything. Even though it's there and it says you have to buy it now, the screen recorder and the voice recorder, the only two things you can't use on the program that's free. I got my electronics in. My motor, I don't know if it's CW or CCW, but when you lock the nut, it's a CW. What does CW stand for? Clockwise. Does that mean I have to put a clockwise propeller on? I can't remember. Kind of forgot. And let me tell you, the ESC I got is larger than all the ESCs I have. And that's a problem, because the one I picked out was supposed to be a micro size. Oh boy, man. So I ripped out the one from, you got it, the Dancing Wing J3 Piper E31 Firebird. What a long word that was. So the Mighty Mini Tiny Tudor is going to get worked on. I got on the video editing. I got the pod, the motor in already. And I'm not sure if I want to continue forward putting in the parts and everything, because I did the build. But it'd be nice to finish it off to show you all. But I just don't have the oomph anymore right now. Maybe I'll pick it up in another minute. Well, I'm like waiting for my exchange, waiting for funds. Oh yeah, the DJI Mic 2, man. I know what I'm not going to do and what I am going to do with it. I may just be looking for something. I found only one person made it. Charge about $30, but I could do my own. It's going to be time. Maybe it'll be a spring project. Well, I got my walk and talk. I got some exercise in. I got things to do, catch up. And I'm going to be very slow. Probably was slow before and it's going to be slower than usual. But things always pick up. You never know. Yeah, I like walking the yellow line, man. Don't you like walking the yellow line? Surprised I'm able to walk the yellow line this long. Oh, let me get off the yellow line. Well, maybe that looks like blue to you, but it's gray to me. Yeah, what a wonderful day. I said a lot, I did a lot, and I talked a lot, and I shared a lot. And I hope I can see you on the next video to come. And on that note, you know who I am. It's showtime!